Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create slow motion on your videos on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have a feature which allows you to apply slow motion to selected parts of a video, emphasizing the movement or details, and it'll basically create a new file out of it. So here I've got a video of me recording the cup, the Simple Dad, and I want to make this into slow motion. However, I want to create a slow motion clip out of it. So to do this, I'll go ahead and press play. And wherever I want the slow motion to start, so for example, once I start to zoom in and back, I want to do that in slow motion. So I'll go to that part where I start going into the clip. And then using my finger, I'll go ahead and press on the screen. I'll keep holding it. Now once I'm happy with that, I'll leave my finger. And now it has created a slow motion clip, so I can go and tap on download. This is now saving that as a slow-mo clip. Now I can go ahead and view it. As you can see, this is a slow-mo clip which I've just created right now. So it adds a cinematic impact to your footage, making your movement more dramatic and more memorable. So there you go guys, that's how to create a slow motion clip on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.